Nikki Nuts, Camp Counselor Extraordinaire. Meet my friend Acorn here.
Hi, friends. It's nice to meet you.
Do you love nature? Do you love camping? Then I'm sure that you'll enjoy our stories. What about you, Acorn? Are you ready for a story?
Ooh, I'm nuts for a good story.
Bear Came Along by Richard T. Morris, illustrated by Lee Yun Pham. Once there was a river that flowed night and day, but it didn't know it was a river until Bear came along. Bear was just being curious when he realized what the river could do. But he didn't know he was on an adventure until Froggy hopped on. Froggy was a lonely frog who was looking for a friend, but she didn't know how many she had. Until Turtle showed up. The turtle tried to warn them about the things that could go wrong, but they didn't know how to enjoy the ride. Until Beaver climbed aboard. Beaver was born to captain. He knew exactly where to go, but he didn't know about the detours until Raccoon dropped in. The raccoon was so excited about the twists and turns ahead, but they didn't know they had to be careful until they crashed into Duck. Duck was so content being right where he was, but he didn't know there was a world to see. Until Bear held on to Froggy. Froggy held on to Turtle. Turtle held on to Beaver. Beaver held on to Raccoon. Raccoon held on to Duck. Oh, what a ride! So many different animals living their separate lives, but they didn't know they were in it together until the river came along. Wasn't that a nice story, Acorn? See, anyone can have a friend, and you're my friend.
And you're my friend too, Nikki.
And I hope to see you again, friends, for another story at Nikki Nut's Nature Nook.